Lay the arm flatwise, apply and rub oil evenly on arms and slide to the fingers 3 times. Push hands upwards, tracing 3 main collateral channels. 大肠经、三焦经、小肠经 with fingers spread and huko pointing upwards 3 times. Rub upper arm with leaning fingers till it turned red. Lay the arm flatwise. Apply and rub oil evenly on arms and slide to the fingers 3 times. Lay inner arm upwards and push hands tracing 3-in channel on inner arm. 飞经、心保经、心经 to armpit with huko pointing upwards 3 times. Rub upper arm with kneeling fingers till it turned hot. Select vacuum head of your choice. Set temperature, working time, suction, and release time. Click to start. Lay the arm flatwise and trace the 3 main collaterals on outer arm respectively 3 times. Lay the arm flatwise and trace the 3 main collaterals on inner arm respectively and slide to armpit 3 times. Select vacuum cup of your choice. Adjust the energy level. Lay the arm flatwise and trace the 3 main collaterals on outer arm respectively 3 times. Lay the arm flatwise and trace the 3 main collaterals on inner arm respectively and slide to armpit 3 times. Select vacuum head of your choice. Set temperature, working time, suction, and release time. Click to start. Select and fixate the vacuum cups of your choice on outer arm 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust EMS working time, energy, intensity. EMS operation. Clean your arm and place the strap below it. Apply gel on pads. Fixate the pads on arms with the adhesive straps 20 to 30 minutes. Remove pads and adhesive straps and wipe clean the triggered area.